Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to insert page number in MS Word document. So first of all open MS Word and after that click on insert. Now in here you will find the option page number. So just click on it. Now select the area where you want to page number like top, bottom, page margins, current position. So if you want to add the top of page, so select the top of page in here. That's it. Now you scroll the page, so you will see the page number. So by this easy and simple method you can insert page number in MS Word document. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update.